So I have 3 new products from Ulanzi that can be extremely helpful to produce videos at home or on the go. This 40-watt light, this Magsafe tripod, and this is the Video Mic Pro, and you're actually listening to it right now. Check 1, check 2, and you'll be listening to it throughout the whole video. So let me just tell you more about these products.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. And if you're not new here, you'll know that I have a good relationship with Ulanzi. They always come out with some amazing products, and then they send them to me and I get to share them out with you. But if you are new here, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. And if you can click that button, that will actually give me a warm and fuzzy feel. Oh, thank you very much. I'll put links to everything so you can find it easily down in the description, plus a surprise link. So starting with the 40-watt light, this thing is just the right size. It's like not too big, it's also not too small, and it only weighs around 460 grams. It comes with a reflective hood that you can pop on and a silicone diffuser, which when it's all put together just looks great. And there's a power cord so that you can charge this, but it also has a built-in battery that will last up to 5 hours on the minimum brightness or 75 minutes on maximum brightness. And yeah, this thing does get really bright. And thanks to the fans and vents on here, it keeps it cool and not overheating. But also these fans are very quiet. Like, I mean, can you hear them now? Let me put it up to the mic. You can hear them maybe a little bit, but they're very quiet. There is a nice display screen on the back, so it's easy to see. And there's 2 knobs here where you can adjust the settings. One is dedicated for brightness, and the other one is for the color temperature, so you can get that colder look or warmer look. And if you press this one like a button, it puts it in the lighting effect mode. And then you can shuffle through the different scenes like lightning, TV, candle, faulty bulb, strobe, paparazzi, emergency, and an high-low beam, which I always think is cool because, like, you know, if you're shooting a scene and you need like that candlelight look, so maybe like on your skin you need it to look like you're holding a candle, you don't actually have to have a candle, you just have that, and see, it kind of flickers just right. And same with the faulty bulb. If you're trying to shoot a scene where it's like, you know, you're somewhere scary and the bulb's doing this, put the right sound effects with it. There is a 1/4 thread mount on the bottom for mounting, and really this could just be like your perfect office talking head light that will just light up your face and give you the right skin tones. Or it's great because it's battery powered. You can take this on the go with you and put this with your handheld rig and just give you a lot more control over your lighting. And right now it comes in on sale under $80, so make sure you jump on it. So now let's check out their Magsafe tripod. This actually has 4 really great features that I want to highlight. For one, the handle is lightweight, it feels strong, and it has an attachable Magsafe phone holder. This Magsafe tripod holder is really great because you put your Magsafe phone or Magsafe case right onto it and watch it just connects. And also what's great is it has these little side holders for just extra security. Not only that, you can swivel it so you can shoot in landscape and portrait just that quickly. On this as well, there's a couple of other screw threads for mounting or other accessories that you can put on there. Now, if you don't have a Magsafe phone or case, it actually comes with an adhesive ring that you can put on your phone or your case, and it will work with that. The next thing about this is the remote that's on here. There's a remote on the handle that you can take off, and that will work up to 33 feet connected to your phone, and you can start and stop recording or take photos, but also just being the perfect spot on this handle because you have a really long selfie pole on here. This is up over 5 feet. So if you wanted to get a really long shot like this, you actually have your remote right here so you can start and stop recording just from the handle. And yeah, this is a really long selfie pole. This is great if you need to get extra height to go over crowds or just up really high to get some different vantage points. And it's also very strong and secure. The other part to this is that there's a tripod built into it. So you just open it up and you can set this down. And because it's wide, it gives you a lot more stability. So you can go from really low, or you can use that selfie pole and set this on the ground, and I mean that goes really high up. And right now you can get this thing under $40 US, so do check it out if you're in the market for a big selfie stick tripod. And lastly, I want to talk about the mic. This is the on-camera microphone, the WM02 Video Mic Pro. And again, you've been listening to it the whole time. It's been sitting right here, so you can hear it exactly how it's supposed to sound. But it does have a really cool design because it's powered. You pop in 2 AAA batteries, and don't worry, those batteries will last a long time, so you won't have to keep changing them all the time. It comes with a TRS cable for normal cameras and audio interfaces, but also a TRS to TRRS to connect to your smartphone. And then you can turn on the microphone and you can adjust the sound, where you can turn the microphone up a lot louder or a lot lower depending on your environment. There's also a high pass filter on this to cut out wind or traffic or other background noises. And the mic itself has a supercardioid pickup pattern, capturing sound directly from the front and filtering out background noises and echoes. But also it has a built-on shock absorbing windscreen to reduce vibration and noise. And it does come with a big wind muff, so you can put this thing on and really block out that heavy wind. On the other side, you have a headphone jack where you can have real-time monitoring and 7 adjustable volume levels for your headphones. And that gives you the ability to just fine tune that microphone sound and make sure that it's just perfect before, you connect it to your camera and start recording. This also comes in under $40 US right now too, which is a fantastic price for a mic like this. So if you are in the market for a new powered microphone, well, you know what it sounds like, and it sounds great. So that's 3 new Ulanzi products that I wanted to share with you today. They have some amazing stuff, and you can just check out their website, or you can even look at my Ulanzi playlist and just see what other products they have. Maybe there's something that's perfect for you. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for a lot of really cool products coming up on this channel. And as always, see you next time. Bye.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Black?